Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. In the world of Jamaican YouTube, two families dominate the scene. The Virgos, emotional, raw, adventurous. Meet the Mitchells, blended, bold, and business-minded. But today we're exposing the truth behind their success. Who's really Jamaica's #1 YouTube family? The answer might shock you. Stay tuned. Welcome back to CCNWORL TV News. The YouTuber's YouTuber, unpacking a little bit of drama. We'll be telling you success and untold stories inside the YouTube world. Today, we're diving deep into the battle for Jamaica's YouTube crown. Virgos versus Mitchells. From family milestones to million-view videos, who holds the real power? Let's break it all down. First up, the Virgos, a family that's become a household name not just in Jamaica, but globally. What's their secret? Relatability. From pregnancy journeys to emotional life updates, the Virgos have mastered storytelling. With every post, fans feel like part of their inner circle. And the numbers, hard to ignore. Videos regularly pull in 50,000 to 100,000 views in just days. But don't count out Meet the Mitchells, a blended Jamaican family sharing love, laughs, and lessons. They're not just vloggers, they're entrepreneurs. From running their own business to hosting different events, the Mitchells balance family life with business acumen. They've built a brand, and their audience, loyal, committed, engaged. Views rival the Virgos, but their content feels different, more structured, more polished. Meet the Mitchells boast explosive average views, 50,000, 70,000, 90,000, even 100,000. Their uploads raw, real, and frequent. The Virgos, listen to their views now, 60,000, 80,000, 90,000, sometimes higher on major milestones. Subscriber counts, both families comfortably in the mid to high six figures. But beyond numbers, it's about audience connection and audience retention. In the comments, fans pour their hearts out, treating both families like extended relatives. Who's living the bigger life? On the surface, it's the Mitchells, running different businesses, hosting events, possible brand sponsorships. But the Virgos aren't far behind. Their constant travel, family events, and sponsorship hints suggest steady income. The real difference, the Mitchells monetize through business, the Virgos through emotion-driven content that hook viewers repeatedly. Both families show wealth, but in very different ways. Let's get real. Content is king, but drama is emperor. And when it comes to storytelling, the Virgos have mastered emotional pull. Pregnancy reveals, health scare, surprise, homecomings. But the Mitchells aren't short on drama either. Hospital emergencies, family rescues, and the chaos of running a business. Which family tells a better story? You be the judge. We scored the comment section and fans are divided. Team Virgos says, I cry every time I watch them. So real. Team Mitchell claps back. Business-minded and strong family values. The Mitchells inspire me. This isn't just entertainment. These families are shaping how Jamaican culture, family life, and success are represented worldwide. And viewers are invested like never before. Now, after everything, who's Jamaica's real #1 YouTube family? Is it the globe-trotting Virgos or the empire-building Mitchells? Here's the truth. If it's emotional storytelling, the Virgos take the crown. If it's entrepreneurship and brand building, meet the Mitchells win. The battle. Too close to call, but one thing certain, both families are defining what it means to be Jamaican YouTubers. So, who gets your vote? Drop a comment below. Team Virgos or Team Mitchells? Like this video, share it, and subscribe to CCNWORL TV News for more exclusive stories from inside Jamaica's YouTube world. Because here, you decide who's really on top.